Hello everyone and welcome to another blockchain video. Today we are gonna talk about Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies presents an alternative to traditional money by eliminating the need for a bank. Let's say we have Bob and Alice. Alice will receive some money from Bob. Instead of sending money to Alice via wire transfer, Bob can send her cryptocurrency directly using blockchain. Suppose Bob wants to send one Bitcoin to Alice. In order to do this, Alice and Bob each need a wallet on the Bitcoin blockchain. Bob must know Alice's account address in order to send cryptocurrency to her. You can think the Bitcoin wallet as an account with a username and password. The username is the account address and the password is a private key. So never share your private key with anyone. You use that private key to sign transactions. So let's get back to Bob and Alice. As I said before, they both have a wallet, a Bitcoin wallet. So there are three key things to keep in mind about their transaction. Bob enters Alice's account address as the recipient. Bob specifies that he wants to send what Bitcoin to Alice, and he signs the transaction using his private key. At this point, Bob has done everything he needs in order to complete the transaction. The rest of the process happens behind the scenes on the Bitcoin blockchain. A select group of nodes called miners process Bob's transaction and record it on the blockchain. Bitcoin miners must solve a mathematical puzzle called proof of work problem in order to record his transaction on the blockchain. Each miner competes with one another to guess a random encrypted number called a nonce. The miner that guesses the number first submits their answer or proof of work. This authorizes them to record the transaction to the blockchain and receive a Bitcoin reward for winning the mining competition. Whenever they record it, they create a new transaction record on the blockchain. Transactions are grouped into blocks which get chained together to make up the blockchain. Time to wrap up. There are some important terms you should remember from this video. Bitcoin wallet, account address and private key, transaction, miner, proof of work, nonce, and blocks.